What makes the MACROMILL program course so special? Not only do we teach CNC parameterized macro programming from basic to advanced levels, but we also provide proven macros, developed and perfected on the workshop floor over the years. These macros are designed to boost your efficiency and skills in real-world applications. But we don't stop there. Our course also covers optimization parameters, essential knowledge for every CNC programmer, giving you the competitive edge in the industry. When you join the MACROMILL team, you get lifetime access to backplot software. Simulate your new skills with no additional cost, perfect for practice and refinement. You'll also receive 2 free ebooks, The Newcomer's Guide to CNC Macro Programming and Mastering High-Level CNC Macro Programming, packed with invaluable insights for your journey. And that's just the beginning. Our experts also offer specialized training in Mastercam Design and multi-axis programming, SolidWorks design and assembly, motion analysis, and real-world case studies. Plus, we dive deep into advanced Fusion 360 design and programming for 5-axis CNC machines. Ready for the best part? Upon course completion, you'll earn a certification, proof of your new skills and expertise. Where else will you find a registered training provider offering all this in one course? The answer is nowhere else but MACROMILL. We want you to excel as a professional CNC programmer with this all-inclusive, self-paced course that you can access anytime, anywhere on your PC, tablet, or Android device. Not a member yet? Join the MACROMILL team today at www.macromill.online or contact us at info@macromill.online. Check out the link in the comments for more info.